In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your survey responses using Surveymonkey effectively. Whether you're conducting research, gathering customer feedback, or organizing an event, maintaining your survey data can often require editing and updating responses. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to delete responses that are no longer needed. To get started, we'll first need to navigate to the Surveymonkey homepage. Open your web browser and head over to the Surveymonkey homepage where all your projects are listed. This will be your control center, where you can view all the surveys you've created and manage them as needed. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your active projects. Take a moment to locate the survey that you are currently working on or the one from which you wish to delete some responses. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct survey, especially if you have multiple ones running simultaneously. Now let's click on the survey of interest. This will take you to the survey details screen, offering a comprehensive view of the design and data associated with it. Once you're on this page, look towards the top menu and locate the tab labeled Analyze Results. Click on it. This section is crucial as it allows you to delve into all the available data, giving you insights into how respondents have interacted with your survey. The ability to review this data critically helps in refining surveys and making informed decisions. After clicking Analyze Results, you'll be presented with various ways to view your data. For today's purpose, we're focusing on the individual responses section. So let's go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you get a respondent by respondent breakdown of the feedback you've collected. This granular insight is particularly helpful if you need to identify specific responses that are outdated or irrelevant and thus need to be deleted. Now, as you scroll through the individual responses, you may find one or more that need to be purged. Once you've pinpointed a response that is fit for deletion, notice that there's a small delete button positioned next to each response. Click on this button to prompt the deletion process. It's worth mentioning that when you delete a response, it's a permanent action. Be sure to double check the entry before confirming the deletion to prevent accidental data loss. Once you confirm, the selected response will be removed from your dataset, leaving you with a cleaner, more relevant collection of responses. And that's it. You've now successfully managed your survey responses by deleting unwanted entries, streamlining your data for better analysis. Thank you for following along, and be sure to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with Surveymonkey.